Hey guys, what's up? I am Mark, virtual assistant of Shreyansh Techz. Today I will show you how you can post your picture on your Instagram using Python. So, are you ready? If yes, then do subscribe the channel for more interesting codes. You need to install a module named instabot. I hope you know about the modules. For that you need to open your command prompt and write pip install instabot. Make sure you are always connected through internet, as modules will get downloaded through internet only. You will find the download process has finished and we have successfully downloaded instabot module. Now start a new file in Python and start writing code along with me. Firstly, we will import the downloaded instabot in our Python code. For that, write from instabot import bot. Then we will create an object named bot in our code. It will control the posting of photo on Instagram. Then we need to log in to our account. For that, write bot.login and then in bracket your username and your password. And then the last line of the code, for posting, write bot.upload and in bracket the path and name of the photo you want to post. Like the name of my photo is virtual members. It is a group photo of virtual members of Shreyansh Techz. Also do not forget to mention .jpg at the end. Then you can give caption to your photo. For that, write comma, then caption, equal to, and then in triple quotes, whatever caption you just want. Then run your code and save it. Your code will start running. Firstly, your bot object will check whether you are logged in or not. If you are not, then it will make you log in through username and password provided. My login has been successful and now it will search my photo in the path of folder provided. The bot has found the photo and now it will upload it. The photo has been successfully uploaded on the channel Insta handle at @Shreyansh Techz. You can visit the official page the channel to check the photo. I have uploaded our team member's photo on it. The project has been developed by Shreyansh Pandey. I would be happy if you like, share and subscribe the channel. Our team will regularly upload such videos for you. Thank you.